it's the Midnight Raven, and today, if you haven't noticed by my background, is Halloween. I'm gonna do a tour of my decorations later in another video. It is smaller than last year, unfortunately. My boy's at college and everything, so I haven't been able to do as much decorating as I would like. But today we are going to do an unbagging. Unfortunately, my loot crate is stuck in the post somewhere that was meant to be here for Halloween. So I'm still doing an unbagging, but it is a makeup unbagging. Ooh. So it's not what I wanted, but Loot Crate is stuck somewhere. Postman does have it somewhere, but it's lost in their system at the minute and they're trying to find it. So fingers crossed they find it within the next week. You're wondering, I'm wearing my little cat ears. These are so cute. They're my like lace cat ears. And then my Halloween dress of the day for Halloween looks like this. It's skull hands and they make a heart shape and it goes all the way down. It's plain on the back and I got it from Amazon and I thought it was so cute and it just makes a little skulls. So we are unboxing a mystery makeup bag that has 7 items in it. Let me just give you some more details. The purchase itself was $4.75. It was free postage, which I love. 7 items. It's from Star Beauty Products. They don't give much of a details. It just says this is a job lot of 7 items. They are all full size, which is awesome. And it's $4.75. So that makes each item under £1. So let's take a look. Ooh, I love mystery bags because you don't know what you're going to get. Okay, first item is a Maybelline Baby Lips moisturizing lip balm with a hint of color. Ooh, so look at that. That's kind of cool. So it's Lemon Zap. I have had this before from a different mystery bag company, but it gives your lips a hint of color. It moisturizes them. This was a limited edition when it came out as well, which is pretty cool. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Should we get it out or should we not? What should we do? I don't know. I'm not a big fan of lemon, so I wouldn't really use it. But it looks good. I love the packaging. You got your tongue and your lips and everything. It's a little bit babyish. But, right, next item. Ooh. Ooh, we got a lipstick. Ooh, it's a pretty case. Look at that. Pretty case. So, this lipstick is in Velvet Beige. Let me see if I can see who it's from. It's very tiny writing. I can't see. I think it says Color Sensation. Color Sensation. I can't see the make anywhere on it. You do get a lot of products in mystery bags that are like unbranded or they're not high street branded, so they don't have anything. But there's the details. If you can read that, because my eyes are that bad, I can't. I love the casing though. Look at that. Let's see what it looks like. So how do we open it? Is the so it's got just this kind of clear case. That's kind of cool, but it does look really cool on there. Makes the inside look kind of rose gold, which is kind of cool. So we have got a lipstick. Ooh, this is the lipstick. So let's give it a swatch. Okay, that's not a bad lipstick. It's kind of, I want to say it's like a pinky colour. Looks like that. Obviously, the harder you push, the more colour you'll get. But that's kind of cool. It doesn't have a brand that I can see, unless you can read that. I think it says Color Sensation. Color Sensation. I can't read that, unfortunately. But I will put details down below when I can actually be able to read them. Next item. Ooh. Next item is from L'Oreal. I love L'Oreal products. This is Infallible Studio Eyeliner 24. We've got some eyeliner. It's waterproof, which is always good. Waterproof is always good for girls because we spend apparently all our time crying and weeping in a corner somewhere, you know. And it's in this black colour. Let's give it a try. Yeah, it's just a normal black eyeliner from L'Oreal, which is pretty cool. That's that. So like I said, it's $4.75 for the 7 items. So each product is under £1, so it's not bad. Ooh, we've got another one. Okay, this is Infallible Stylo Eyeliner 24 again, but this time it's in a different colour. The last one, oh, that was actually in grey. It looks black, but it's grey. Okay, it looked black. It might be just me. This one is in like a goldy colour. It looks a goldy type. See it there? Let's give it a swatch. So it's in like this gold shimmer. You see it there? It's just here. Like a gold shimmer. Let's see what the colour is. The colour says Crescession. Nude Crescession. So I want to say it's like a nudie gold. It looks weird. It looks kind of gold. Here it is similar to the colour that's on there. So we have so far a lip balm, a lipstick, and we have not one, but we have 2 eyeliners. So that means we've still got 3 to go. So the next item is this one, and this is Maybelline New York Master Ink. Ooh, fancy. This is metallic. It says Metallica. Ooh. Let's see if I can get more details. I want to say it's an eyeliner. Again. This time, looks like it's in a kind of bluey colour. Oh, look at that. Now that is a purple. Look at that. Obviously, it's quite wet. I did push it quite hard to get some. I believe it's an eyeliner. The writing, I have to say, on makeup items, their writing is so tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. And I struggle to read it. I think it's called Twilight Purple. See there? And it is a eyeliner. So it is kind of cool. Obviously, it wouldn't be as wet as that. I did push it quite hard. Obviously, you wouldn't push that hard on your eyeball. So we've got 3 eyeliners now. Hopefully, there's no more in here because I think 3 is enough. We've got purple, we've got black, and grey, and we've got a kind of tan gold colour. We've got a lipstick, and we've got a thing. We have another lipstick, and this is very fancy. This is from L'Oreal. Look at that. Isn't that, now just look at that case. Isn't that fancy? And it's got like this, it's actually like plastic L'Oreal symbol on there. Instead of just writing it on the actual thing, it's actually plastic. Ooh, so this is another lipstick. I don't know what colour it's in, but we will. Oh, so you pull it apart like that, and it kind of goes under the thing. So when you put it in, you have to do it like that. It's kind of cool. So the colour itself, it's kind of pinky. So we'll swatch it on the other arm this time because I'm running out of space. It looks like this. I just showed it. It's a very light pink, although on my hand it has that kind of glistening effect. You see it there? Kind of pinky. That's really nice. I don't know if I can find the colour. Most of it seems to be not English, but it is a beautiful colour. Now, if it says anything, I will try and put it in the video or pop it down in the description. but that's cool. So we've got another lipstick. So we have a lip balm, 2 lipsticks, and we've got 3 eyeliners. So wonder what the last product will be. Will it be another eyeliner? Will it be another lip product? No, it's neither. Neither lip or thing. So this is Matte 100, and this is a L'Oreal again. Quite a lot of bargain bags or mystery bags use Maybelline and L'Oreal. 9 out of 10 products that you buy from a mystery bag are usually those 2 products. This one was obviously Maybelline, L'Oreal. These are L'Oreal again. And then the eyeliner is Maybelline. And then the lipstick is a mystery. This is L'Oreal again. Trying to find the colour. Doesn't really say anything. I just think it's Matte 100. But we will open it up. And it is this black colour. We will try and swatch it with my finger. So it looks like that. Down here. It's just a dark black eyeshadow. No, it's all over my hand. So it's just a dark black eyeshadow. It is dark, very black. As you can see, look, it's on my finger. It's on my arm as well. So they were the 7 products. We'll just do a little recap. We got the Maybelline Nourishing Lip Balm with a hint of colour. So obviously the colour inside is kind of yellow. So I'm guessing it would turn your lips a kind of yellow. So that was good. And that's Maybelline. We had the Fatchable eyeliner, and that was in grey, which turned out to be this one here. Although it does actually, to me, look black. We had the nude one for the eyeliner, and that was this bottom one here. Gives you that shimmery glow. We had the lipstick, which has the unknown name, in the tan, and that was this one here, which looked really nice. We had the metallic eyeliner, which was this purple, which is actually dried really well. Doesn't show up at all. Dried really well. We had the L'Oreal one, which is pink or pinky tan. Just put that down. And that looked like this, a shimmery pink. We then had this L'Oreal eyeshadow in very black. You can see my thumbprint in there, which came out like this, which looked very nice as well. So all in all, I'll just run through what it was. These were 7 wholesale cosmetic job lot branded makeup items. They were all full size, which is awesome. It was $4.75 and free postage. That makes each item under £1. So 50, £1, 152, 253, 4. So everything was between like 60 or 70 pence. I mean, that for a makeup item is really cheap. Okay, they weren't packaged or done up, but you could see they hadn't been used. Obviously, they're from Star Beauty Products. They have a online eBay store. I can't remember if I've bought from these before. I've bought from so many mystery bags now. I try and go to mystery bags that I haven't had before and try them. So all in all, we got 2 lipsticks, we got technically a lip balm, we got an eyeshadow, we got 2 eyeliners, and then we got metallic eyeliner. So these were the 7 products, and as I said, it was $4.75. I love getting these mystery bags. I absolutely love them, and then I either sell them on eBay if I don't like the colours, I give them to my sister, I give them to my family, I give them to the school fates, or I do sell them on eBay to make money back to then buy other mystery bags and get products I do like, because not everyone is going to like pink, not everyone's going to like black, not everyone's going to go around and wear metallic purple under their eyes. The thing with the mystery bag is it is a mystery. You don't know what you're getting. So if you're not a fan of pink, or you don't like black eyeshadow, or maybe you're not a fan of metallic on your eyes, a mystery bag isn't for you, because there is no guarantee of what you're going to get. So really, it's up to the makeup gods to decide what you get. I do have another bag on the way, and obviously I do have a loot crate coming, and I have another mystery bag coming, so hopefully they're going to come soon. I have more premieres on the way as well. I have more jewelry, hair accessories premieres, and I have so much for November. And I've even started looking at December with advent calendar openings and stuff, hopefully happening in November. There are some other advent calendars I haven't managed to buy yet. They've literally just come in stock, so fingers crossed I can buy them. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up before you leave. If you're watching this on Halloween, do have a wonderful, spooktacular Halloween. I love Halloween personally. I'm not going out trick-or-treating. I'm going to stay here and I'm going to do a live stream probably. I've also got some cakes to decorate, so that's going to take me some time. I love my little ears as well. And I love my dress, which came from Amazon. I will put details down below if you like the dress. If you want to like and subscribe to me on your way out, please do so. If you enjoyed this premiere, please come back to more premieres. If you're watching this as a video, thank you for taking the time out of your day to come and watch me. And I'll see you very soon for another mystery unbagging. Take care and have a great Halloween.